Utilizing your Android as a Wi-Fi hotspot, here's how. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to turn on a hotspot on an Android phone. Number 1. Access Settings. Start by unlocking your Android phone and finding the Settings app. It is usually represented by a gear icon and can be found in your apps drawer or on the home screen. Number 2. Navigate to Network and Internet Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down or look for the option labeled Network and Internet or something similar. Tap on it to proceed. Number 3. Select Hotspot and Tethering. Within the Network and Internet settings, locate and tap on the option named Hotspot and Tethering. Tethering and Portable Hotspot or something similar. This is where you manage your phone's hotspot setting. Number 4. Turn on Mobile Hotspot. Inside the Hotspot and Tethering menu, you will see options like Wi-Fi Hotspot, Portable Wi-Fi Hotspot, or simply Hotspot. Tap on this option to proceed to the hotspot settings. Number 5. Configure hotspot settings if needed. You may see options to configure your hotspot settings here, such as the network name or SSID and password. You can customize these settings if desired. Note that some Android versions allow you to set a security type like WPA2 and a password to protect your hotspot. And before we proceed, this is not negotiable. Please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 6. Activate the hotspot. After configuring if necessary, toggle the switch next to Portable Wi-Fi Hotspot or similar to turn on the hotspot. This action enables your phone to broadcast its internet connection to nearby devices. Number 7. Connect other devices. Once the hotspot is active, other devices like laptops, tablets, or other smartphones can connect to it using the network name or SSID and password you configured earlier. Number 8. Monitor hotspot usage optional. Some Android versions allow you to monitor the devices connected to your hotspot and the amount of data they are using. You can usually find this information within the hotspot settings or through the main settings menu under data usage. Number 9. Turn off the hotspot. When you are finished using your hotspot, return to the hotspot and tethering menu in settings and toggle the switch to turn it off. This helps save battery life and prevents unauthorized access to your phone's internet connection. That's it. Following these steps will allow you to successfully turn on a hotspot on your Android phone and start sharing its internet connection with other devices. Within every video lies a spark of wonder. Embrace the journey, or it is the path to dreams. The magical ending of a YouTube journey is not just about the content, but about the connections made, the lessons learned, and the smiles shared. It is a reminder that amidst the vast digital landscape, there are stories of resilience, creativity, and hope waiting to be discovered. So let us embrace the magic of YouTube with open hearts and curious minds. For within its realm, we find endless possibilities and the power to uplift ourselves and others.